Hi, I'm Captain Mike, host of Florida Sport Fishing TV. It's January 2012 and we're at SeaVee Boats in Miami, Florida. We're building a new boat that we're going to be using to film our television series on for the next few years. Just an awesome 39-foot center console powered by triple 300 Verados. Big, fast, efficient, and reliable. And that's what's really the key, is having a platform that you can rely on in any conditions. Not only the boat, but the accessories that go on the boat as well. We have to count on them day in and day out to get the job done. And that's why we chose OceanLED underwater lights. These Amphibian Pros are really, really awesome. They're 75% brighter than previous models, super efficient, they barely burn any battery power at all, and more importantly, they're reliable, they're durable, and they're super easy to install. Check it out, we're gonna give you a behind-the-scenes look at our boat while it's being built and show you exactly how easy it is to install Amphibian Pros.